Are you a beginner in English speaking and eager to improve your language skills? You've come to the right place. Step 1. Pronunciation and intonation. According to the Cambridge English Corpus, clear pronunciation and natural intonation patterns are crucial for effective communication. Step 2. Word stress and syllable division. Misplaced stress can change the meaning of a sentence, so practice proper syllable division and stress placement. Step 3. Misusing homophones. Master commonly confused homophones to avoid misunderstandings and confusion. Step 4. Improper verb tense usage. Understand verb tenses and use them accurately to express yourself clearly and coherently. Step 5. Subject-verb agreement. Pair singular and plural subjects with corresponding verbs to ensure grammatical correctness. Step 6. Using incorrect prepositions. Learn how to use prepositions accurately to convey location, time, and relationships between objects. Step 7. Lack of idiomatic expressions. Expand your vocabulary with idiomatic expressions and avoid literal translations from your native language. Step 8. Run-on sentences and sentence fragments. Keep your sentences concise and avoid run-ons or fragments that can confuse listeners. Step 9. Overusing filler words. Reduce the use of filler words and develop fluency by pausing or using transitional phrases instead. Step 10. Ignoring listening and speaking practice. Engage in listening exercises and conversations to develop comprehension and speaking skills. Step 11. Lack of confidence. Believe in yourself and embrace your mistakes as part of the learning journey to gain confidence in your English speaking abilities. Step 12. Neglecting cultural context. Understand the cultural nuances of English-speaking countries to enrich your communication and prevent misunderstandings. Step 13. Relying too much on translations. Immerse yourself in the language and think in English as much as possible to avoid relying solely on translations. Step 14. Disregarding feedback. Take advantage of feedback from teachers, language partners, or native speakers for continuous improvement. Step 15. Lack of consistent practice. Set aside regular practice time and stay motivated to achieve your language goals. By addressing these common mistakes and practicing regularly, you'll notice significant progress in your English speaking skills. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and with dedication and perseverance, you'll become a confident English speaker in no time.